So do you also run Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create Mailgun member for Facebook lead ads lead. So I run a skincare brand, and to promote my brand, I'm running some Facebook lead ads. So now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly that lead should be created as a new member in my Mailgun account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ad with my Mailgun account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically create a Mailgun member whenever you receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads. This automation ensures that every lead is instantly added to your mailing list, allowing you to send follow-up emails, newsletters, or promotions without any manual effort. So it's a great way to streamline your email marketing and engage potential customers effectively. So as you all know that I run a skincare business, and here on my screen you can see my Facebook page with the name Natural Glow Skincare, and here I am using Facebook lead ads to attract potential customers. So now I need a way to follow up with them instantly. So by automatically adding these leads as a Mailgun members, I can send them welcome emails, skincare tips, or exclusive discount offers without any manual work. For example, if someone shows interest in my organic face serum, they will receive an email with more details, customer reviews, and a special offer. This helps me build trust, nurture leads, and increase my chances of turning them into loyal customers while saving time on manual follow-ups. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Facebook lead ad with my Mailgun account using an automation software. And now firstly here in this video, we are going to see the working of this automation to understand this entire process more clearly. So now here to see the working of this automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to generate a test lead for our Facebook lead ad using a leaders testing tool by Meta. So this is the leaders testing tool, and here I've selected my page and the form. So now here I'm going to click on this preview form. So this is my lead ad form, and here you can see the pre-filled details over here, that is skin type, first name, last name, email, and the phone number. So here I've already filled the details, and now I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Mailgun account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here I'm going to select my mailing list, that is new leads, and here under new leads you can see we have successfully created a new member with the email address as dummy@pabblytunes.com and the full name as dummy user. So with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. Now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Facebook lead ads with your Mailgun account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's home page, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/INR/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create Mailgun member for Facebook lead ads lead, and then here it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Okay, so now let's build our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, as I'm receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. So Facebook lead ads are a type of advertising format on Facebook that helps businesses collect contact information from people interested in their products or services. So here in my Facebook lead ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever we are going to receive new leads through our Facebook lead ad, then instantly and automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now here to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account and authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the page and the lead form. So here I've already shown you that I have my Facebook page with the name Natural Glow Skincare. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my page which is named as Natural Glow Skincare. So this is my page. And now after selecting my page, it is asking me to select the lead form. So here to get this lead form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. And now here under this Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see all the lead ads form that I've created over here. So here in this particular case, I'm going to use the form which is named as Natural Glow Lead Form. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my lead form as Natural Glow Lead Form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead forms. And now here after selecting the page and the lead form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And now here after clicking on the save and send test request, you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool. So this is my lead ads testing tool by Meta. And now here to generate a new test lead, I need to delete my previous lead, because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead. And now here I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. And again here I'm going to select my page which is named as Natural Glow Skincare and my form, that is Natural Glow Lead Form. And now here to generate a new test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the skin type, I'm going to select drive, and here I'm going to enter the first name as demo, last name as lead, email as demo@pabblytudes.com, and then here I'm going to enter a random phone number, and then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the skin type, first name, last name, email address, phone number, and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly, I want to add that lead as a new member in my Mailgun account. So for that, I need to connect my Mailgun with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as Mailgun. So Mailgun is an email delivery service that helps businesses send and receive emails effortlessly. So here in my Mailgun action step, I'm going to select my action event as new mailing list members, so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly a new member is going to be added in our Mailgun account. Okay, so now here to connect my Mailgun with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Mailgun account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API key, private API key, Mailgun host and the domain name. So now here firstly we are going to get the API keys. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Mailgun account, and from here I'm going to click on my profile icon, and from here I'm going to select API security. And now here you can see the API keys window where you can see all the API keys that I've created over here. So I'm going to add a new key over here, and here I'm going to enter the description as new lead, and then I'm going to create a key. So this is our API key, so I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here for the API key I'm going to enter the same API key, and here I'm going to enter the same private API key because the API key and the private API key are the same. And then here it is asking me to enter the Mailgun host. So it says enter the region your domain is hosted on within the Mailgun here. For US region use this, and for EU region use this. So here to see our region, let me take you back to my Mailgun account, and here you can see that my region is US. So moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to copy this Mailgun host and I'm going to paste it over here. So this is our Mailgun host, and then here it is asking me for the domain name. So again here following the instructions given over here, moving back to my Mailgun account, and from here I'm going to click on the send option given in the left side bar, and here under send I'm going to click on the sending, and here you can see the option of domains. So this is our domain, so I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the domain. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save given over here, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the list. So here in this list field, I need to select the mailing list under which I want to create new mail members. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the lists that I've created in my Mailgun account till now. So here in this particular case, I'm going to use a list with the name new leads. So this is the list, and then here it is asking me to enter the member's email address. So now here instead of entering the address manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map my lead's email address. So this is the email address, and then here it is asking me for the update. So it says yes to update member if present, no to raise an error in case of duplicate member. So here I'm going to keep it as a no only, and then here it is asking me for the member name. So again here I'm going to map the member name. So for that I'm going to select first name first, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. So with this we have successfully entered all the required details, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the message as mailing list member has been created. That means we have successfully created a new member in our Mailgun account for the new lead received through our Facebook lead ads. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to click on this mailing list, and from here I'm going to select my list with the name new leads, and then I'm going to scroll it little down, and now here I'm going to refresh my window. And here you can see we have successfully created a new member over here with the email address as demo@pabblytunes.com and the full name as demo lead. So with this, we have successfully set up an entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Mailgun. So that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly that lead is going to be added as a new member in our Mailgun account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create Mailgun member for Facebook lead ads lead. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.